My name is Bernie Higgins. I was a student in the program, and then I became an adjunct, and now I've been program chair for 5 years. We have everything from radiography to instrument knowledge to making impressions. So the students in my program get to do everything that they will do in a normal office when they start their clinicals, so they don't go in blind. Most people are hands-on learners, and you get memory motor skills much better when we go into the lab. And so doing hands-on allows them to, once they start doing their clinicals, then it puts everything together. And they have the hands-on, and it all makes more sense, and everything kind of falls into place when they're in an actual office. We have a clinic that started back in 2008, I think, for Happy Teeth, and we take second graders who get their first permanent molars then, and so that's why we do second graders, and we put a sealant on their teeth, and we use the Kokomo Center feeder schools because those particular students don't have as easy access to dental care. The program was started to help them out, to give them oral hygiene knowledge and things to take home to continue that.
It's very pleasant to see like the kids come in and interacting with them and letting them know how important your dental hygiene is.
We have volunteer dentists that come, and then we have volunteers who also help us do the sealant. We take what the students learn in class, and then we set up stations, and we set up different learning activities for the kids to do. Like we have puppets, and we teach the kids how to brush their teeth correctly. And all the kids get a goodie bag that has toothpaste, toothbrush, a sand timer, and then extra coloring and some stickers. So they get all that to go home with them.
I know there was this one little girl who I got to show all the instruments to and kind of explain what we were going to be doing. And just working with my team to get it all, put together and have a good time was really nice.
We tell them what you do in our lab, what you do in our classroom, and how you conduct yourself makes you a representative of Ivy Tech, and that's what gets you a job.